Meet the Cordless Vacuum 550W/45Kpa Anti-Tangle Stick Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate solution for powerful, hassle-free cleaning. With a 550W motor and 45 kPa suction, it tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair effortlessly on carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. The anti-tangle brush roll is perfect for pet owners, handling fur without clogging. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design with long-lasting battery life, allowing you to clean anywhere with ease. Using the included tools like the crevice tool and dusting brush. Plus, the LED headlights ensure no dust is left behind, even in dark corners. With an advanced filtration system that traps 99.99% of allergens, it's ideal for creating a healthier home. Upgrade your cleaning game today with Cordless 550W/45Kpa Vacuum Cleaner. For more info, click on the link in description and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.